Let's draw a rainbow hand and learn colors. Let's start. Hello everyone. Welcome to Asma Art, the channel where you can learn how to draw, paint and create amazing artwork. My name is Asma and I love to share my passion for art with you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something fun and exciting to do on this channel. So grab your pencil, brushes and colors and let's get started. Green, blue, purple, yellow, sky blue, red, yellow, dark pink, brown. Coloring time. Pink. Light pink. It's light pink color. Very light pink color.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat.
Kids, it's pink color.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
P-I-N-K, pink. Pink color.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we
Green.
saw men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Green.
Keep it up, Yankee Doodle
G-R-E-E-N, green. Kids, it's green color. Green.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
Green.
Music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
The next color is blue. 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 B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue. Blue.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
Blue.
Doodle dandy.
Blue color.
Step and with the girls be handy.
Kids, it's blue color. The first color was pink, the second was green, and the third was blue color. Rainbow hand. Red. Kids, it's red color. The apple color red. 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 R-E-D. Red. Kids, it's red color. Orange. Orange. Kids, it's orange color. The mango color orange. That's all for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Smart, where you learn how to draw and color rainbow hand step by step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more and creative videos. And remember, you can always dream your colors. You can always color your dreams. See you next time. Bye bye.